how to redeem Kohl's gift card online. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can redeem your Kohl's gift card online. So I'll be showing you the steps on how you can do it. Make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. So first thing, you need to open up your web browser. Use any web browser that is convenient for you. As you open up your web browser, on the search box, you need to type in the link that is www.kohls.com, and then you'll be taken to the official page, and this is how it's gonna look like. So in the top right corner, click on sign in. So in order to redeem your gift card, first thing you need to sign in into your account. So enter in your email address and a password associated with your Kohl's account. So in order to redeem your Kohl's gift card, so first thing you need to select the item that you want to purchase, and after that you need to add it to your cart. So what you need to do is just head over to the shopping list or the home page. Once you've selected the item, you need to click on this option that is add to cart. In case you want to continue with the shopping, then you can do that as well by tapping on this option that is continue shopping, and you only want this particular product, then you can click on this option that is view cart and checkout. After that, you'll be taken to the checkout page, and you need to click on this option that is proceed to checkout. In case you've already signed into your account, then you'll be taken to the payment page where you need to enter in your gift card number that will be located on the back of your card, and then you have successfully redeemed your gift card, of course. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.